Evening, students. So today we are going to have an interesting case discussion on government agents, how Agentic AI is helping for the government agents. Okay. So this case that we noted from the Harvard publishing qualifications. This case talks about what is the role of agents in the government sector, how the government sector is utilizing the agents projects in and around the country, especially you know that in America and Canada, they introduced this Agentic AI projectization. From there, we got introduced influenced. Then after 2010, we started working on Dennis Harvest. And now it weighs a very trendy down. And this stage, it started with the initial expectation of Sam Altman, who is the founder of OpenAI. He stated that how we can train the Gen AI for the future. So here he's bending a lot of jargons like RAG and Crew AI, Sapphire, and if you see other AI tools which are very popular in current trends. So how the agentic AI can be nurtured with a more advanced need and demand of governments especially. So this case complete talks about government AI. It's an exercise. So I want you to start with the foreign influence, a foreign contribution, foreign countries for how they are benefiting the government AI. Very Bharat face on.
Okay, I will talk about the AI agents usage of the foreign countries. Major of the foreign countries are increasingly using AI agents and governmental agencies to improve efficiency and automation, to improve productivity and efficiency of the governmental offices. So majorly I have two projects here. One is done by the UK government and another is done by the Canadian government. The UK government offers Humphrey AI, which is their AI agent assistant used by civil servants. The civil servants are how it helps is meeting summarization, policy and consultation analysis, and legal sets. Such works can be done with this AI, which is developed by the UK government, Humphrey AI, which is used to improve productivity and reduce workload for the civilians. So next one is PUBI. PUBI is developed by the Canadian government for their civilians for to their work. This AI agent is developed by the National Research Council of Canadian government, which helps in generating public performance reports, extracting key information from documents, formatting reports automatically. So this is used to automate reporting and improve accuracy. So next we can go to the Indian
Indian implementation. Yes.
So first of all, we can start with how the Indian can implement these ideas also. So as far as the India can start by adding these AI agents one by one, slowly to the system already developed by them, by the Indians. So for example, there are the municipal issues and 301 services which are now in the campaign systems. So in that we can use this AI agent as a public service. So these agents can automatically receive request, classify the problem, extract the ideas and give the response filler. So as for the government, they have mentioned how can we implement these ideas in India. So they have mentioned that using the existing platform like Aadhaar, like Digitalker and e-governance portals can easily we can easily implement the AI agents in that. So we will add these AI agents to automate tasks like form filling, then handling the process of the students who is going through that, and the report these generation to in this digital and e-governance portals. So there are many portals which are available for the government. So they are suggesting that these AI agents can be implemented one by one in this one. So as far as they have also established these three rules before implementing this. So first of all, data privacy, then transparency, then human supervision. So why here the human supervision is here means to avoid the errors which are to monitor the AI agents which are implementing the errors. So as far as the in our India, there are some real world projects like the AI government agents idea. So the first one is the my government and chatbot. The my government chatbot simply have the government uses these AI chatbot and portals to answer the citizens' queries. So it is act like a basic support agent. Then they have DigiLocker. So as far as said, it acts as a store. This is the document automatically. So it was an agent, but it needs more AI agent to be implemented. Then they have Aadhaar plus AI verification. Then ILSTC AI systems. Then AI in policing, like in Telangana, Delhi, it is going on. And then in agriculture AI, which is Kisan AI and crop advisory, which is used for the farmers.
Yes, Kabir. Yes, you have given so many exams. Wonderful. As you know that when you explore or leverage more agentic variables, we have to sync on the precision and the confidentiality at the same time in the maintain the transparency of information. In such phases, should we go for a dimensional architecture where certain things we have to limit or certain things we can have some kind of underlow. So the example is what Kavish has mentioned is very interesting example, ongoing projects like how different states are working. Of course, countries like India, we can put many projects for the agricultural people, for the employees, for shipping department, for packaging and export import departments. So government agent projects are so much of opportunities for the countries like India. And as he mentioned, Gaurav, two very key examples he has given. One is from UK, another one is from Canada. They are the pioneer who brought many employee government records like form filling systems, or they made it automated. So I think now Pranav and Vikram can give some chart outline how it can be regulated or what kind of dimension we can adapt to that. I think 3 + 3 is already have options. Yes, Pranav, we can.
Okay, actually there are totally 6 key dimensions. First 3 I'll explain and the next 3 Vikram will explain. The first one is goal orientation, which refers to the ability of an AI system to work according to the goal. Not only making a simple analysis or anything. It should achieve the goal actually. The second one is sensing, the ability to collect and interpret the data from the environment. Not only pre-trained data, it should also get the data from the environment and it should actually interpret the data. The next one is executing. Executing refers to the ability of actions that should be taken by the agentic system and not only just analysis.
So continuing with that, next one is autonomy. So autonomy is how the AI is runs without the human intervention in that process. So nowadays all the agents are running without any human interventions. They train the agent with all the process, how it runs from the beginning to the giving a result, how it wants to give a result. So all are running without any intervention. So you mentioning that part is the autonomy. So next one is memory. Here where it comes the data related, training related, all the memory that the agents have. So here mainly we can consider short-term memory and long-term memory. Short-term memory is that agent will gain and develop itself from the users. So users give the all the data every day, then it will gain and develop from that data. And long-term memory is where it trained in the beginning state during development of the agent is a long-term memory. So next, learning. Learning is considering long-term memory. So here it comes. In this, where it comes the machine learning and other learning that learns the AI to process itself. That's all. Yeah.
Good, good, Bikram and Pranav. You have given very wonderful dimensional analysis. Yes, suppose every agentic AI project has to be approached with the proper reasoning and observation visioning. Followed by that, we should use the proper tools. And because every agentic AI connects with various apps, so the workflow, it has to be properly understood first. Then finally, at the end of outcome, we need to have the reinforcement learning and also the how it can be extended to the further end of the future applications. So very good, guys, and you have given a wonderful insight about the agentic AI, how it was used in foreign countries and how it is being implemented in Indian country. Also, we was given a very good structural analysis about dimensions of all the 6 principles where we can say it's a golden rules of a future agentic AI projects. Good, let us join another training. Okay, thank you very much.